I just bought some new paint online, and it was supposed to arrive on Tuesday, but it came this afternoon. I was really surprised at how fast it arrived. I've never bought this stuff before. I wanted a kind of a less expensive paints just for my painty papers, and I wanted to keep my good paints for my canvases, and I thought I would try this out. 25 colors, high viscosity. I hope the pigment is good in this. I think it'll be better than the dollar store. There's a little cap on each of these, and they need to be removed. So I'm going to try with maybe this flesh tint, which is something I wouldn't go for the first go around, but let's see what there is here. So, okay, so there is definitely, okay, there it is. Take some of that off, don't want to waste it. Let's get a little piece of paper, just this extra stuff. Okay, I don't think this is necessary, but I just want to see. That's actually really good. I quite like that. Okay, I came down here with no rags, no water, no brushes. Okay, so I guess this goes in the garbage. And we put the cap back on. And I guess I have to do that with each one. So let's work left to right here. Amber brown. Should I be shaking these? They're pretty thick, which is a good sign, because I know, the cheap ones you get on at the dollar store, very, very cheap. You can tell because they're when you shake them, they're quite fluid. Ooh, this is nice. Oops, I almost put that back on. That's nice. Okay, do I have a brush here? Yes, I do. It's not the best brush, but I do have some water. On my brush, and hopefully you can see that. And I just want to know. Okay, that's kind of cool. I'm not going to do every single one for you guys, but I just, oof, look at that. That's nice. I'm just trying to test the pigmentation, and I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, there's barely anything. That was just a little bit on the paper, and the opacity pigment is good. Not super high quality, but a lot better than your dollar store brands. This is good. I like it. Okay, I'm going to keep going and see what else we have in the box. Cobalt blue. Oops, I think I did that one already. Magenta. I really like this one. Yellow ochre. This is a color that I definitely need to buy for my canvas paintings. Phthalo blue. Very beautiful. And I didn't even know this was in here. What a wonderful surprise. The very last bottle. Metallic gold. Doesn't look gold. Looks just kind of yellow. That's beautiful. Definitely is gold. So you saw the brushes, and it came with a little palette. Yeah, it's small and it's cheap, but I can still use it. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you that come by and stop to see what I'm doing, what I'm up to, what kind of different things I've come up with. And I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope the world is kind to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.